So to learn the Suzette stitch, you will need some yarn of your choice and the recommended crochet hook for your yarn. Here I've taken some cotton yarn and a 4mm crochet hook. So to start learning the Suzette stitch, you will start by making a slip knot, and you can do this in whichever way you prefer. Once you're done with your slip knot, just insert your hook, and we start by making our foundation chain, and we work our foundation chain in multiples of 2. So go ahead and make chains in multiples of 2, that is yarn over, pull up a loop, that's a chain. Again yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 chains, yarn over, pull up a loop. So like that, go ahead and make multiples of 2 chains. Any chains you can do, but it should be in multiples of 2. So once you have that, meet me right back. So here I've worked my foundation chain in multiples of 2. Now to begin row 1, you will make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So skip that first chain and make a single crochet in that second chain. A single crochet is simply inserting your hook in that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both those loops. That's a single crochet. Now in that same space, in that same chain, make a double crochet. A double crochet is first yarning over, inserting your hook in that same space, pulling up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through only the first 2, again yarn over and pull through the rest 2. So what we did is we made a single crochet and a double crochet in that same stitch, that's the second chain from the hook. Now skip that next chain that is there and repeat making a single and a double crochet in that next stitch. So we skip this chain and we make a single and a double in that next chain. So single is just inserting your hook, yarning over and pulling up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both those loops. Now again a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in that same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2. Now again we repeat, skip that next chain and make a single and a double crochet in that next chain after you're skipped. So skip this chain, make a single crochet in the next chain, and also a double crochet in that same space. So it's really simple. Just go ahead and skip a chain and make a single and a double crochet in that next chain after skipping a chain, and meet me back when you have 2 chains left on your foundation chain. So here I'm at the end of my foundation chain and I'm left with 2 chains. So now you will skip that next chain and make just a single crochet in that last chain. Just insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both those loops. So that's how you end your first row. To begin your second row, just chain 1 and turn your work. Now we begin doing that same repetition of making a single crochet and a double crochet and then skipping a stitch and making a single and a double in the next stitch. And we begin doing that by making a single crochet in this first very stitch. So don't count this chain 1 because that's only for turning. So just insert your hook in that first stitch and make a single crochet and a double crochet in that same stitch. Now again skip that next chain or stitch and make a single and a double in that next one. So we are skipping this stitch and inserting a hook in that next stitch and making our first single crochet and then double crochet. So this is our single crochet done, and in that same space make a double crochet. Now again skip that next stitch and make a single crochet in that next one, following by a double crochet, single crochet done, again a double crochet in that same space, same stitch. So now go ahead and repeat this pattern of skipping the next stitch and making a single and a double crochet in that next stitch all across till you're left with 2 stitches on row 2, and I'll meet you back there. So here I'm at the end of row 2 and I'm left with these 2 stitches. I hope you can see these stitches. This is 1 and 2 stitches left. Now skip this next stitch and make only a single crochet in this last stitch. So insert your hook in that last stitch. It may be towards the side, but make sure you get that last stitch. So insert your hook and pull up a loop and just make 1 single crochet. So here we are at the end of row 2, and just repeat row 2 till you have the desired length of your project. I'll go ahead and make a couple of rows to show you how this stitch actually looked like. So I'm back with a few rows, and this is how the Suzette stitch looks like. It's a really pretty stitch and fairly easy for beginners. It's a great stitch for cowls, scarves and bigger projects like blankets. So that's it for this video tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, do leave a comment down below. And if you like the video, do give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.